Now I would like to invite Mr. Abul Faiz, Principal Lehra Public School, for present a school annual report and a future plan.
रहमानिर्रहीम। सदर मजलिस मौलाना मोहम्मद ताहिर मदनी साहब, चीफ गेस्ट प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर असलम परवेज साहब, गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर जनाब शहनवाज फैयाज साहब, जनाब मौशरुल्लाह अंसारी साहब, डॉक्टर अब्दुल्ला साहब, डॉक्टर फिरोज तलत साहब, डॉक्टर अनीसुर रहमान साहब, चेयरमैन इंजीनियर तारिक आज़म साहब, वाइस चेयरमैन मोहम्मद तारिक साहब, पेरेंट्स, गार्जियंस, टीचर्स, स्टाफ मेंबर्स, स्टूडेंट्स, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। I am delighted to welcome you all to the annual function of our school. It is a moment of pride and joy to share with you our achievements and progress in the academic year 2023-24. I would like to highlight some of our achievements in this academic year. We have completed the construction of new hostel building for boys, which can accommodate more than 150 students with all modern facilities and amenities. Our class 9th and 10th students have participated this year National Maths Olympiad conducted by Mathematical Teachers Association India and Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education. In addition to our academic curriculum, our school organized a math seminar to deepen understanding and problem-solving skills. We also conducted a focused 40-day foundation course program to civil services exams, equipping students with essential knowledge and skills for success. These initiatives align with our commitment to providing diverse opportunities for academic and personal growth. Furthermore, our school collaborated with Go Global, a reputable consultancy in Lucknow, to conduct a seminar on the admissions to European and American universities. This initiative provided valuable insights and guidance, empowering students with the information they need to pursue higher education internationally. Additionally, our school hosted a seminar focusing on women empowerment and personal hygiene, fostering awareness and empowerment among our students. Our school conducted a program to raise awareness about cybercrime among students, equipping them with essential knowledge for a safer digital environment. Our students excelled in prestigious university entrance exams, including those of Aligarh Muslim University and Jamia Millia Islamia, showcasing their dedication and academic prowess. We have successfully implemented online teaching and learning platforms, conducted various educational workshops and sessions, and provided holistic support to our students and staffs. Facilitating global connections, our school participated in an online mushaira hosted by AMU alumni in United States of America, providing platform for cultural exchange and creative expression. Ladies and gentlemen, I am excited to share a significant update on our academic programs. This year, we are introducing two specialized courses for IIT JEE and NEET, a 4-year foundation program for class 9th and 2-year program for class 11th. Admissions for these courses along with the others start on March 1st. Application forms will be available online and in offline mode at the Hera Public School. Admission tests, interviews except for class M1 are scheduled with class set to commence inshallah on April 1st, 2024. This marks the beginning of an exciting academic year for our students. I would like to congratulate all our students for their outstanding performance and commendable achievements in this academic year. I would also like to express my gratitude to all our staff members for their dedication, hard work and professionalism. I would also like to thank all our parents for their constant support, cooperation and feedback. As we look forward to the next academic year, we are confident that we will continue to strive for excellence in all our endeavors. We are committed to providing a safe, conducive and stimulating environment for our students to learn, grow and flourish. We are also determined to uphold our vision and mission of creating responsible, compassionate and global citizens who can contribute positively to the society. Thank you for your attention and I wish you all a wonderful day. Thank you very much.